In this video, I'll show you 4 different ways to restart or reboot your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. Let's go through them one by one. Method 1. Side button plus volume down. This is the most common and oldest method. Press and hold the side button and volume down button at the same time. You'll see the power menu on your screen. Tap Restart, and then tap Restart again to confirm. Your Samsung Galaxy S26 will now reboot. Method 2. From the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel. Swipe down again to expand the quick settings. At the top, tap the power icon. Then tap Restart and tap Restart again. Your phone will restart. Method 3. Using Google Gemini or Bixby. On the latest Samsung S26 series, the side button launches Gemini as a voice assistant. Long press the side button to open Gemini, or say, "Hey Google." Then say, "Restart my phone." The power menu will appear. Tap Restart, then tap Restart again to reboot your device. Method 4. Change side button to restart/power menu. By default, long pressing the side button launches Gemini in the latest Samsung devices. But you can change it to show the power menu instead. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Tap Side button. Under long press, select the Power Off menu instead of Digital Assistant. Now press and hold the side button, and the power menu will appear. Tap Restart, then tap again to restart your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26. So these are the 4 easy ways to restart your Samsung Galaxy S26 series. That's it!